All right, my friends, to help you with tonight's homework, I'm just going to do a whole exit ticket so you can see a lot of the same concept with a few different problems. So this first one, express minutes as a fraction of an hour. 36 minutes equals what fraction of an hour? So I can't do like 36 over 1 hour because they're not like units. So let's rename this hour as how many minutes are in an hour, which is 60, and I have 36 out of 60 of them. Okay, and I can reduce this down any way that I can. I like to start with halves, so half of 36 is 18, half of 60 is 30. Then I'm going to do thirds. 3 goes into 18 6 times, 3 goes into 30 10 times. Then I get 3/5. So my 36 minutes equals 3/5 of an hour. All right, underneath here, this is what we worked on all day today in our lesson. 2/3 of a foot, or 2/3 feet, equals how many inches? Well, I'm going to think, okay, 2/3 times 1 foot. Now let's rename this to inches. 2/3, how many inches are in a foot? 12 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to use my fancy pants way, and I'm going to put them all on the numerator and then divide them by 3. Now 3 goes into 12, how many times? 4. 3 goes into 3, how many times? 1. So this will be 2 times 4 is 8, over 1 is 8. So 2/3 of a foot is 8 inches. Let's do this next one. 2/5 meter, I'm going to think of it as 2/5 times 1 meter. And that's the same thing as saying 2/5 times 100 centimeters. So let's bring it on up. So 2/5 times 100 divided by 5. 5 goes into 100 20 times. 5 goes into 5 1 time. Okay, now let's bring it across. 2 times 20 is 40. Over 1 is 40. So 2/5 of a meter equals 40 centimeters. All right, now let's do years. 5/6. 2/5 of a year is the same as 5/6 times 1 year. Rename our unit to be equivalent in months. So that's a 5. 5/6 times how many months are in a year? 12. 5 times 12 over 6. Oh yeah, and then we do 6 goes into 12 twice, and 6 goes into 6 once. So 5 times 2 is 10 over 1. 10 months. Okay, Mrs. Leinenbach is going to show us the other way.
Okay, I'll just show you another way. So this is the way I actually prefer, but if it doesn't work out for you, we could do 5/6, I'm doing C again, times 12 months. And one other way is to do 5 times 12 over 6. So I like to divide first, but if you like to multiply first, you can do 5 times 12 equals 60 over 6, and then 60 divided by 6 equals 10. So we got the same answer. And if you're a picture person, we just think, well, what's our whole? Okay, well, we know 12 months is our whole. And we're breaking it into what? Well, sixths, because that's what our denominator is. And so we think 12 divided by 6 is what? 2. So each one of these will be 2. But they want to know what is 5/6 of a year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 3 ways to get 10 months.